this one's cool.
Okay, they're not all.
Not all of them.
It feels awesome. Nice.
Touch the last night you had a snake.
Is he nice? Does he have a personality?
This one does. He's actually very sweet. Believe it or not, he actually picked me a damn flower.
Stop it! What a sweetie pie! Man, he is heavy. Wow, what a guy. Why did I talk myself into this?
Huh? I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
My snake.
Why is that?
Guys, I got myself into this somehow. Do you want your snake back? Okay. He's very nice. I like him. Thank you for letting me hold him.
Can I pet your snake? Absolutely. But you gotta throw it on that guy. Okay. I was kidding. Pet it. Don't be a wuss. I love it.
I am a wuss. I mean, I am a wuss. Looks like the one on.
Pet it here. Kiss him. Kiss him. Kiss him. Come on. Come on. I get more tongues than this snake than my ex-girlfriend. Pretty messed up, actually.
Well, that was worth seeing.
Cool.
Yeah, I know I should wash my hands. Jesus. Crowd, not good in crowds.
Yeah, I can see that. Where are we going? Whoops, I got stuck back there.
Told you the city's a dangerous place. Well, a busy place.
I've never seen someone with a snake in a city.
What?
That's kind of cool. We can cross and go down. Wait, what are we doing? See how there's another river over there? It's two rivers coming together. Or splitting apart.
That's a fire pit down there by any chance.
See?
Look at those boat. Look at that boat, guys. Look at that boat.
In the world.
The other one is empty next to it.
Well, look at this. Whip-de-doo, whip-de-doo. What the?
So that's the river we were on right there, right?
Yeah.
There's another river.
Hey, Dad, can you upload YouTube videos from here?
All I can think here is
Can you upload videos from here to YouTube?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, cool. I'm going to do it.
Okay.
I don't like
When you can tell, we'll just delete your videos off the phone, okay?
Okay.